Hi, you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a check to see if this mic is actually working. Today, like at this present date, I'm quite unemployed. That's why I started watching Splitsvilla, like many of you all. I really don't know why I started that show, and I don't know why I have so many opinions about it. So let's get into it. If you don't know what Splitsvilla is a show where a ton of people come in, models, people who are trying to be influencers, creators who come to this show to get fame. I don't think they are really there to find love. 'Cause it's a dating show. It's a show. You get fame off of it. And I think ये वाला season बहुत boom हुआ है. And of course because of a few people which I will talk about later on. But today I'm talking about a couple which I really liked actually. I think जो भी तुम्हें स्क्रीन पे हंसा पाए ना, that is the best couple to go to, and that was Diptanshu and Sandy for me for sure. So basically Diptanshu came into the show, I think only for the game, because when he was in Pesa Villa he was looking at the game like a game. There was like it was just all about split coins. He was all about the game. He was not really looking for a connection, and I do believe that. But for Sandy, I think she was genuinely looking for a person, that she could vibe with. She would want to have a connection with. That's why she said, कि मेरे को तो एक भी चलेगा, मेरे को 10 भी चलेगा, मेरे को 50 भी चलेगा. Because that's true. Like you came to Splitsvilla for your own reasons, which I respect, and they came together. I think for the show because प्यार की चीज तो मुझे नहीं लगी बिल्कुल भी ये. But they did become an ideal match for 1 second. वो बने तो थे. I wanted to talk about them, like their journey and what exactly went wrong. Because in a challenge, I remember Tanchu and Sandy fought, and they fought quite bad. I mean, वो एक दूसरे की इज्जत तो नहीं करते हैं. Like Diptanshu said कि ये मेरी इज्जत तो नहीं करती. इसका कुत्ता कौन है? Diptanshu. So I think they're very chaotic and very funny together. And मैं अपनी आगे की स्क्रिप्ट भूल गई हूँ, so I'll just check. And I feel like इनके बीच में इतना कम्युनिकेशन का दिक्कत हो रहा था because Sandy, every time she came to the throne, she was also saying, he does not give time to me, he does not, speak to me, or he does not, form that sort of connection which is like respectful. I feel like क्योंकि यार bro, एटलीस्ट बंदी बात तो कर रही है ना कि तुम ये नहीं कर रहे हो, तुम्हें ये करना चाहिए, तुम्हें ये करना चाहिए. So I think Diptanshu ने भी efforts लिए थे. Like I will say that he started, communicating more. He started speaking to her more. He started prioritizing her. But I think इस season में mostly what I found is that the guys prioritize the game so much. And मतलब ठीक है यार, like Spitsvilla बहुत fame देता है. Clearly, like even Akanksha got like 2.4 million off of the show. So we understand that. But I think if this show is really about love, you should go with a good intention of at least finding a connection. Like I'm not saying कि प्यार में पड़ जाओ. I'm like, a connection to form karo. So I do think they were attracted to each other, and I will not deny. I think I really liked them together. मुझे लगता था ये लोग बिल्कुल साथ में बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. Even their dance episode, I think वो बहुत viral गया था. Sandy का dance, like I loved that. And I think इन दोनों की personalities बहुत अलग है. I feel like they're so funny. I mean, even when they were in separate villas, they were so funny. Like Sandy अपनी videos में कुछ बकचोदियां कर रही है, वो वहां पे अपनी कुछ बकचोदियां कर रहा है. So it's quite cute together. Couple overall, I don't think they were there for love. I think Sandy was, but I don't think Diptanshu was. I think he was genuinely there for the gameplay. And now I would like to speak about what the hell is going out of the show because I have been following the tea. I think Splitsvilla से ज़्यादा तो बाहर Splitsvilla चल रहा है. I think every couple has their own drama, their own dramatics. So basically, Diptanshu came out of the show and found himself a new girlfriend, which I personally do not think that's wrong. I mean, you get out of the show and then you find a person. I don't think वो show में date कर रहा था. उसने वो clarify भी कर दिया है, which is a good thing. I mean, तुम एक dating show में date करते हुए नहीं जा सकते हो. योगेश. I do feel कि you know दितांशु ने जो भी उनका बाहर हुआ उन्होंने मे भी ट्राई किया होगा बात करने का, बट वो नहीं बना. एंड that's completely okay. And now Dipanshu is dating somebody else, and I really like his girlfriend, by the way. the new girl, I like her. But I think they grew apart and अभी अभी उनका एक reunion भी हुआ है. I really saw that picture. I think वो थोड़ा सा trending भी जा रहा था. I'll just insert it here. I believe they are so cute together and वो show में बहुत अच्छे लगते थे यार. It's a show and show के बाहर you move on. And स्पिट्सविला के बाद भी एक दुनिया है. तो I think मतलब वो अब they have grown apart and they are going about in their own lives. And I wish them all the luck in the world. And this is it. This is a short video. इसमें कुछ तुम्हें पता नहीं चला. Like Splitsvilla. This is just a reason for my unemployment क्योंकि मेरे को ये बकचोदियाँ करना बहुत मजे आते हैं. If you enjoyed it, if you enjoyed this little chatter patter, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.